How to forward all emails from Outlook to Gmail.
First, open Outlook and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now, ensure you're on the Home tab. If not, click on Home from the menu bar. Next, click on the three-dot button on the right side. From the list, select Rules and then click on Manage Rules and Alerts.
In the Rules and Alerts window, click on the New Rule button. In the Rules Wizard window, select the rule Apply Rule on Messages I Receive, and then click Next. Now, set the condition by enabling the checkbox for Sent to People or Public Group. In Step 2, you need to edit the rule description. To do that, click on the underlined text in the rule description. In the Address Book field, make sure your email address is entered, the one whose emails you want to forward. Then, in the To field, enter your Gmail address or any other email address where you want to forward the emails. After entering the details, click on the OK button. Finally, click Next to continue. This will take you to the next Rules Wizard screen. From the list, select the action Forward it to People or Public Group. Now, in Step 2, set the rule description. Click on the underlined Forward it to People or Public Group option. In the Rule Address window, check the address book and make sure your Outlook email address is entered. Then, in the To field, enter your Gmail address. After that, click on the OK button. After that, click on the Next button. This is the third Rules Wizard screen. Skip this step and click Next again. Now you'll see a summary of all the settings you've configured. Review the details carefully. Then click on the Finish button to save the rule. Next, click Apply, and then click OK. And that's it. Now you can open Gmail to check whether the emails are being forwarded successfully. This is how you can forward all emails from Outlook to Gmail.
If any query, feel free to contact us.
Subscribe channel for latest updates and offers.